Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at how to do offsets on a canopy. So what I mean is, let's turn off the bodies here, like get this here to go in and this to go in a little here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and make this canopy real quick on here. So I'm going to come back up here to solids, then I'm going to go to create form and turn the and I'm going to use this. Do height faces. And click OK. Then I'm going to move this back to here. Okay. Okay, look at this from the top. And as you can see, this is not difficult to do, just okay. Now we have this canopy here. Let's go ahead and make this a solid body. So what I'm going to do is go to surface, use a patch, or excuse me, cancel this. I pressed the wrong thing. That was a stitch and it should use patch. Click OK. And put a patch on the back here. Click OK. Now stitch all three of these together. Click OK. All right. Now we have this solid body here. And now what I'm going to do, sketch on this plane and get rid of some of this. Finish sketch, turn the sketches back on. Then I'm going to split body. This is the body to split, and use this line here. Click OK. And turn this off. And we have our canopy. Now I'm going to create a sketch again on this plane here. And finish sketch. And we're going to split body. Split this body here and use this. Click OK. And turn that sketch back on. And split body again. This is the body to split. And we're going to use this. And click OK. Okay. Now here's our canopy. Now we want this to stick out more from this. Or actually, this needs to go in. The glass part, or whatever you want to call this canopy here, needs to go in more, because we don't want to change the shape of this. Because if you change the shape of this, it's going to stick out from the body. And you don't want this part sticking out from the body. So to do that, what we're going to do now is use the press pull and select this. And I'm going to move this in. Let's see if we can go 1 millimeter. Okay, so it won't let us go 1 millimeter. And that's too much. Okay. That still looks like it's too much. Okay. Now I move that in a little, and you can see that this is down here now. So this is actually sticking out a lot more. You can see it from this side also. to give you this frame. And we can do the front also. Now, I had to use those small numbers because this is not a very big model here, one showing. So we can go here again and go with negative 0.05. Click OK. And put some color on here. And we have that there. But let's close this. And we can go back here. I want to show you guys something a little different first. Now we want to combine all this. Let me turn the canvases off here. We want to combine this. So we come up here to combine this, this, and this. And click OK. Now this is all back to one piece again. But we have our indentions here like we want this to be. Now, we can change this to face here. And you have that. And again, as you can see, this is sticking up from here like it should to give you this frame here. So, yep, that's how you do that. Just to get this to go in, and this sticks out a little more prominently. And again, like I said, you don't want to, and when I use this press pull up here, you don't want to press pull this section here because now this will not line up. If you did that, let's go back here, turn this on. This section here that I cut this out from, it will not line up like it should properly if I move this in. You want this to stay the same. And that's how you do that. So yeah. And you see that didn't take very long to do either. Modeling this canopy for this, another canopy. So yeah. But anyway, if you have any questions on what I did here, and or questions about anything what I do on my channel here, leave them down in the comments or on my Facebook group or my Patreon site. Both are called CAD Build Fly RC. And we'll get an answer to your questions, whatever you have. And if you can become a paid member on my Patreon site, it's only $5 a month, and you have access to all the stuff. Well, most of the stuff that you see me model on my channel, you have access to it over there on my Patreon site. It's only $5 a month. So yeah, but anyway, that's going to do it for this little video, and to show you guys how to get this. Again, you can see this. How this gives you that frame and the glassy here. So yeah. Anyway, that's going to do it for this short little video, and I will catch you in the next one.
Subscribe for more.